Hi everybody, my name is Nelson and welcome to the NelMar Kitchen, a show where I'll be making Portuguese and Mediterranean dishes. On today's episode, I'll be making papas, a Portuguese breakfast dish. Grab a pen and paper, let's get started. Papas, a Portuguese-style porridge. Traditionally, grandmother usually makes this for their grandkids. This tasty, sweet, unique dish can be eaten at any time of the day. Papas is commonly eaten in all mainland Portugal, the Açores and Madeira. Well, I hope you have your pen and paper ready, so let's start. And here are the ingredients. It's 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 egg yolk, dash of salt, and cinnamon. This should take about 15 minutes to make. Add your 1 cup of milk to a small pot and have your stove setting to medium to high. Add in your sugar. Then add in your flour. And a touch of salt to taste. Whisk all 4 ingredients together. This process should take about 5 to 8 minutes. You want to ensure you get a nice cream texture. Once you start seeing bubble forming, turn down the temperature right to low. Add in your egg yolk to the mixture. Remove from stove and whisk away. Now let's start plating this nice cream dish. Now pour your papas to a small plate. Now sprinkle some cinnamon onto your papas. Traditionally in Portugal, they just use a touch of cinnamon, but for me, I put lots on. So it's really up to you. And add a few slices of fresh bananas. Nice creamy textures. You don't want any lumps on this papas. Oh, so good. This definitely reminds me of my childhood, visiting my grandmother's house. Nice, creamy texture. Can't complain. Touch of banana, even better. Until next time. Now don't forget to click the subscribe button down below for future episodes. You can reach us at email or follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Beijinhos!